Welcome to Mental Matrix with EJD. In this video, we're looking at how to add numbers close to 100. Simple trick. Whenever you have to add a number very close to 100, add 100 instead in place of one of the close numbers to 100, especially the closest one. And whatever the difference is between that number and 100, add it to the whole sum. So in essence, I'm saying instead of trying to rack your brain to add 94 and 89, 94 is just 100, away from 100. So you can just say that is 100 minus 6 plus 89. So that way it makes things easier. So you have 100 plus 89 minus 6. And then you have 189 minus 6, which is simply 183. Easy. Okay. Now, the next one is 97 plus 92. I mean, you can choose 97, you can choose 92, anyone you like. But I would rather go for the closest one to 100. So again, we have 100 minus 3 plus 92. Because this part now, just like 100 minus 6 here. So 100 minus 3 plus 92. So that means you have 100 plus 92 minus 3. So 100 plus 92 is 192 minus 3. That's simply 189. Easy. Then the next one, 98 plus 85. 98 plus 85. So you can have 100 minus 2. That's 98 plus 85. So that's simply 100 plus 85 minus 2. So even without touching a pen, you can actually do this. You have 185 minus 2, and the answer is 183. Interestingly, just like the previous one. All right. So we have 91 plus 98. So here you just have 91 plus 98 again is 100 minus 2. So that's like 91 plus 100 minus 2. That's 191 minus 2, which is 189. Interesting, just like what we also saw at the other time. So how do you go about this? I leave that to you. Easy. Okay. So till I come your way again, keep doing math right. Subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to do that. Bye.